did a video yesterday talking about how Donald Trump is suing CBS for $10 billion over the 60 Minutes interview with Kamala Harris. And this just highlights an issue that Kamala Harris and the Democrats need to fix early on in her administration. Assuming she wins like I think she will and that she has a favorable Congress, they need to fix this judicial system. Not just the Supreme Court, they have plenty of issues there. And I've talked about that at length, how we need to fix the Supreme Court. But I'm talking about this idea of judge shopping. You shouldn't be able to just go to a courthouse that you want to and file in federal court be like this. Why? Well, you get it in front of a favorable judge. What happened here is Donald Trump and his team filed in Amarillo, Texas, a $10 billion lawsuit against CBS that is based in New York, incorporated in Delaware, and Donald Trump lives in Florida. There's no connection to Texas anywhere other than Donald Trump appointed the particular judge, who is the only judge at the courthouse in which they filed this federal lawsuit. Now, I don't know how this case is going to go, and that's not the point of this particular video. That was the video I did yesterday. But we have too many times we see where they file cases in front of particular judges to get not only in front of a particular judge, but maybe in front of a particular appellate court, because this would also go to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, which is very conservative. Donald Trump appointed most of the judges on that circuit, and now we have an issue where it would get appealed. Should this thing ever go to trial and maybe go against CBS, it would get appealed to the Fifth Circuit and then ultimately to the Supreme Court. But you shouldn't be able to go to whatever courthouse you want. There should have to be some kind of a connection, just like there was a case involving the Florida and the DOJ with Ryan Routh, the alleged second attempted assassin of Donald Trump. And Florida wanted to have some jurisdiction in the case or whatever. So they instructed the Attorney General to file a lawsuit against the DOJ, and they went to the courthouse where Judge Aileen Cannon primarily presides. Now, they ended up not getting Cannon in that case, but they went to her courthouse specifically. That shouldn't be allowed. Kamala Harris and the Democrats need to find a way to fix this loophole. You should not be able to file in front of any judge you want. There should have to be some kind of a connection there. Now, whether that means that in the case of Donald Trump in this CBS case, do they have to go to New York? Would they have to go to Delaware or Florida? One of them makes more sense than Texas. So hopefully they fix this, because I'm sick of hearing about how they go in front of whatever judge they want, hoping that they will get the result that they want. And this applies to both sides. But it's a loophole and it needs to be fixed. And I'm hoping Kamala Harris and the Democrats take care of it early on in her first term.